What's going on, guys? Back with another video. If you already know, it's Klyde and
Marion!
and where are we right now? Dovana. Pretty much. We rented it's like an Airbnb. It's pretty nice. Let's see if it's nice in there. Can't really see, but we're here. We rented for one night, so we're going crazy tonight.
Guys, I'm gonna take over her. Here we are in Dovana. Yeah, Dovana. Here, the billiard.
Bilog pa siya. Bilog pa.
May tinapay mo.
Mau. Yan ka mo ya? Yeah.
Ano mo tripping yan kabuhay mo yan.
Ay.
Sulod pa siya.
Oh yeah.
Koon kam.
Ano to trick shot?
Ano naman 13?
12 ba?
12 ba?
12 ba na?
Ah shit. So good.
Fish.
So good. So good. You already know it's all good. So good.
Cut.
Sorry guys, sorry. Sometimes you gotta miss. You're not perfect, you know. We're only human, you know. Anyways, welcome back again to the new vlog. We're at Dovana Airbnb. You already know we got the pool right here. We got a bunch of, you know, tiny houses where you can like relax, pretty chill. Go back here, you know, sit down, relax, drink. Yo, tonight's gonna be crazy. We rented the whole villa. It's like a villa. It's like there's a house and then a bunch of stuff. And a swimming pool, obviously. I'm just cleaning the pool right now. I'll show you guys the other side. Other side of this. They got a pong table here too. Pong table right here. Shout out to William, yo. Thanks for teaching me how to play pong, because you already know what's up. I'm gonna be cooking everybody. After that, we have another like a house. It's not really a house, but it's just made of wood. You can chill, come in here, relax. So this place is amazing, honestly. If I had a house like this here, I would definitely live here forever. Also, we got some plants right here. I don't know what kind of fruit that is, but that's massive. That's big. That's big. That's big. And this is probably the master side. You know, there's like tiny houses down there. Over there. Another one over there. This one's like the big one where you can have everybody. There's beer. You got neighbors right there living around here. Like cows over there. This is chill. I'll be chilling here. You got a nice old stereo up here with a light. I don't know if it works, but so far it's really good. A nice view of the pool over there. I can't freaking, but you like the fit though. Ito ablaw ang balila. Second floor is reserved for elderly. What do you think I am, bro? Like 15-year-old? Teenager? So if you're underage, you're not allowed to be upstairs. Yeah, you're underage, right?
No.
Yeah, you are. She is. She's not allowed up there. See this girl right here? She's eating. She's not allowed up there. You're underage. You're not allowed to be up there. Alright, let's see this. Let's see this. I bet $10 on this. Yeah, don't bet with him, bro. This guy's like a pro player before. Back when we were used to be a kid, you know? Like, maybe when we were 5. But he's gonna hit it again. See? Told you, bro. I'm telling you. Got hella food in here. Bunch of sandwiches, chips. We're all set. Honestly, we got more tender, juicy hot dogs. Some drinks. Can't forget about freaking liquor. Soju, you already know. Soju, Yakult, and Sprite together. Bussin'. Yep. It's really hot today. Anyways, for all the people watching my vlog, thank y'all for watching. I know my vlogs ain't that good yet, but hey, I'm working on it. Hopefully soon I'll get better at it, right? Just takes time. But thank y'all. Luto sila. Momento na chef yo, buga. Ulit siya. Ipas lang. Oh, homemade inasal. Made by Ganit, may ano to mo? Ay, hindi gamit. Naman tabi mo. Dahil lang todo ba? Sinasin ko na yung tubig.
Ano to ginawa to sa set yan?
Dubana?
Silikpain to to. Ano? Silikpain. Ako galing siya, no? Toto Ren. Kaya Ern. Kasi ano si Tatox. Ako galing siya, no? Si Patanitek. Tuming!
A little bit of update, y'all. I'm freaking flying. A little bit of update. I'm freaking flying already. But I'm good. Ganun mo do?
Ay, napakot-takot. Ano nga ML hero?
Huh? Ano?
Bring the fuck back.
Cheers, y'all. Lean into it, come on. That's good. Oh, ang owner sa ano din.
Libot din ang libot, ang libot. Libot, libot.
Grabe na music video.
Nami di lights nang butong-butong ha. Nami din ng lights. Nami din lights. Light, 1, 2, 3, go!
Go! Ano mo naman? Wait, masalom kami?
Are you drunk?
No, bro.
Are you fine? Are you okay?
Saguyawan, guru sino?
Sino yawan? Masago.
Si Klyde gito.
Si Klyde ang yawan.
Away pa. Sila, ito seryoso na niya. Mas nalumos sa gitna. Ren. So,
Ay, sa
ito guys la. Ayos,
may potential pero na.
Maren.
Hindi ako gwanta.
Yang sino Klyde?
Hindi, dapat.
Dapat ano naman?
Kung ano ginawa mo. Uy, gang ano sa dami. Pero nyo gwanta to.
Apo, may bebo.
Kainom ko pa, bebo ka.
Nakakaya ko pa yung tabok.
Remembrance lang eh. Hindi agad ka dyan? Ah, sige na. May pa-prenup ka na dyan.
Matagay na lang kasi ito ay Filipino wine. Filipino wine.
Filipino wine! Non-alcoholic! Pure grapes! Pure grapes!
Doon dito. Sa vlog ako. Doon na ubog na gig ko ako. Ha? Iyaw.
Ako lang naman. Hey guys. She's proposing.
Kumangkot pa ako eh.
Ano pa bang
Will lang.
Live. Ano na?
Oh, see? Kibot ka lang ano? Kibot ka no.
Gadali ka kidya mo!
Gadali ka sa mo.
Ari ang papel lang! Gigising ko!